Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Refer to the exhibit. An AD user's department attribute value is configured as car. The user authenticates from a laptop running Mac OS X. Which role is assigned to the user in ClearPass? Option A. HR Local. Option B. Remote Employee. Option C. Guest. Option D. Executive. Option E. iOS device. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Guest. Question 2. Refer to the exhibit. Based on the attribute configuration shown, which statement accurately describes the status of attribute values? Option A. Only the attribute values of department and member OF can be used in role mapping policies. Option B. The attribute values of department, title, member OF, telephone number, and mail are directly applied as ClearPass. Option C. Only the attribute value of company can be used in role mapping policies, not the other attributes. Option D. The attribute values of department and member OF are directly applied as ClearPass roles. Option E. Only the attribute values of title, telephone number, and mail can be used in role mapping policies. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. The attribute values of department and member OF are directly applied as ClearPass roles. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.